7. What a stunning run that was down in Monaco by Jourdain Miller-Huber of Bahamas. Hairdo. Out in lane 5 is Salwa Nazaire. And she is just cruising across the surface. She's an outstanding athlete, just 20 years of age. Started out her running life in Nigeria, now representing Bahrain. Well up onto her toes, moving strongly there is Das of India. It'll be interesting to see how she manages to hold on to this. This is the key 100 of the race, round the bend. This is where Jeremy Warner took the 400 event into another era really, by really attacking this second bend, and that's exactly what Nazaire does as she sets the Indian just moving onto her inside. But this is Nazaire in about third gear and no more. It's very, very fast. Look at this. 50.86, a games record in the heat. That is the sort of athlete Nazaire is. I reckon that's the sort of track we're competing on this week. A quite brilliant performance. She picked up a silver medal in the World Championships last year by running 50.06. She could well go, Rob, sub 50 here in the final.
I was really looking forward to watching her in that race, and she did not disappoint. Neither did Hema Das, the world junior champion, 5th in the world youth last year over 200 metres. Brutal to have both of them in the same qualification. They were a class apart. A games record with so much left in the tank. That's why she